I saw this little bald gray dog trembling on the side of the road, and at that moment, I knew I had to do something. I couldn't just leave him there. I called our usual vet to come over, and he said Benji's condition was incurable. I looked at Benji, and Benji looked back at me. I decided to do my best at taking care of him. He had was called mange, which is like not that hard to treat actually. It's just hair loss caused by mites. We bathe him once a week. After bathing him, I would apply coconut oil over his body, and after we started seeing hair growing, he suddenly changed his personality, and he started stretching a lot, wagging his tail, like running and begging for treats. He started becoming like a happy dog after just 2 weeks. Benji's favorite things to do are sleeping and going outside, and he also loves going to the beach, loves sprinting, rolling in the sand. We just let him roam leash-free. We chase him and he digs the sand. My housekeepers, they take care of Benji. They started develop connection, and Benji follow them everywhere whenever I'm not here. After about 6 months, that was when his skin completely healed and his hair started growing, but it just never stopped growing. And then after his hair grew, he became a Furby. I took him to the groomer for the first time. We didn't cut his hair for like a year just because I wanted to see how long can it get. The whole transformation just felt surreal to me. Everyone thought this was a different dog. They thought I just went to buy a new one. The first pet we have is called Stella. She is adopted from a rescuer in Bali. And after Benji, I found a kitty on the same spot where I found Benji. And I took the kitty home and named him Armin. I would have done this over and over again because there's so many stray animals out there like Benji who needs a loving home. I hope Benji's stories will inspire others to do the same. I urge everyone to adopt and don't shop. I'm very thankful to have Benji, Stella, Armin, and I believe miracles do exist. And right now, my life has just been filled with so much fluffiness and cuteness ever since I got him. We make each other's lives better. I felt like he was meant to be there for me.
Si amas a los animales, suscríbete.